outfit check. Tingnan niyo naman, naka-all black siya. Outfit check. Oh, pogi-pogi po siya ngayon, guys. Look at the outfit. Outfit check. Outfit check. Yan po siya, guys. Okay. How are you, guys? Yan po si Chrismon. 9 months po siya. Say hi. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Ah, can you say mama? Nakaback po siya. The outfit. Can you say mama? Tinanggal niya po kasi yung bonnet niya, guys. Ang pogi-pogi niya kaya sa bonnet niya. Wait lang. Aray ko. Wait lang, guys. Baby, dapat mo tinanggal yung bonnet mo. I will show to them your bonnet. Your bonnet. Just wait, guys. Mag-outfit check lang si Chrismon. Outfit check. Outfit check. May black din siya nito, guys. Kaya lang hinatid namin si Daddy. Outfit check. Outfit check na muna. Outfit check. Guys, pakita na sa kanila, dali. Yan, yan, ganyan siya, guys. Pakita mo, dali. Hi! Hi, guys. Ang pogi ko ba? Yes. Yan na siya, guys. Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check. He doesn't like, guys. Mabait po siya, masayahin. Oops. 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 Oh! Wow. Can you say mama? Mama. Outfit check. Tumatawag na si Daddy. Pinakita ko lang po yung outfit ni Chrismon, oh. Pogi. Ganda niya, no? Ang outfit niya. Look at, guys. Show to them. Ayan siya. Ayan siya, guys. Wait lang, tumatawag si Daddy.